Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video, and it's Saturday the 22nd of January. Bitcoin took out a key low, which means that we're now still in the corrective phase. Basically from the low here, around 3,800, we've had a 1, 2, a 3, I believe, and now this is a great big 4, A, B, C. That's really the only count that fits at this point. So we've got the A wave. I'll expand this chart a bit so you can see a bit more clearly. So we've got the 5 and 3 is here. We've got an irregular ABC. That thing won't go away. So the 5 and 3, the completion wave is there. ABC, ABC, and then a C wave, big C wave decline. Now the question is, how far could this go? I mean, at the moment, C equals A around here, around 32,850 odd, which is almost touched, in fact. But this is could be a 1, a 2. This could be part of a 3 coming in. So 1, actually it could be 1, 2, 3. No, it could be complete, in fact. So it could be the end of 3 with a 4th wave, then a 5th wave decline, maybe taking us down to around the same level here, around 28,000. So we could have a few more weeks of this, perhaps. I mean, obviously the possibilities are endless, but the wave count certainly suggests that we should be close to an end to the C wave decline, but maybe not just yet. One thing I've noticed is that a lot of people who've been pretty bullish are now being pretty negative about Bitcoin. That this is a big fall, it's going to go on for a while longer, blah blah blah. That's quite a positive sign, in fact. The more people are negative, the more people will have sold, and the less people there'll be to fuel further declines. And we do have a clear 1, ABC 2. This could be a 3. It may want to go lower, but that's the 3rd. It could be a 4 and a 5. So I think we're almost at the end of this, but I think it's quite possible we're going to see a retest of 28,800, and possibly break below that as well, just to really scare everybody to death before this rally. I mean, the 5th wave rally is still due, as per the wave count, so I'm still looking for that to come in. It's just a question of when it might actually happen. And I would say it's now closer than it was before, in the sense that it will happen on a certain date, and the closer we get to that date, then the sooner it will actually happen. But precisely when, of course, is a bit of a mystery at the moment. Right, Ethereum is similar. So the 3 was here. There's now an A, a B, A, B, C, B. Looks like an A, B, C. So again, we could be quite close to low. In fact, let's do the A equals C. The C equals A calculation. Looking around 2,250, which is actually pretty close to where we are now. In fact, interesting. Wave count. See, A, B, C, B. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I mean, it could be we're going to see a 4th wave and a 5th wave. It could be that is actually support level on Ethereum. You may go a bit further. I mean, likely a bit obviously confirmation. Like to see a final low and confirmation of that low. But maybe this. Although a lot of people are being very worried, which is a good thing for the market. I mean, the more people are worried, the better, more likely to go up. As the people will have sold. These people are worried will have sold, and that selling pressure will be out the way, and buyers will then fill that gap, as it were. Anyway, the same basic parameters. I'm still positive. It's just a question of seeing this low. Change on gold. So there's 5 O's up. 1, ABC 2. Another 5 waves, 1 of 3. This should be probably 2 of 3. Again, this is an ABC form. There's no sign of a 5 there. So I'm still looking for more upside on gold. As a third of a third, in fact. So the next move up could be pretty dramatic on this chart. Silver, we've got the 5 waves here. ABC, that's now obviously over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like it could be a 3rd wave. 4th wave coming in. So slightly different to count there, but I'm still looking pretty positive on silver as well. First, having seen 5 waves up, this looks correct at the moment. ABC. I mean, that's like an ABC as well, in fact. There could be a 1, 2, I suppose it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But not terribly dramatic on FTSE. It seems to be holding its own, really, whereas other markets are falling more sharply. So this needs to develop it further, really, to give us a clear sell signal on FTSE. Meanwhile, the DAX is looking a lot more negative. I mean, it could be an ABC again, ABC, but we're certainly starting to fall quite sharply now, which is what I've been expecting, as I've been saying for a few weeks. I think this could be the major peak. This could be the first leg down. ABC, another third leg down coming in on cue, really. I mean, this is exactly what I was really expecting, I guess. Let's look at the other markets. S&P the S&P 1, 2, very sharp looking third wave. So again, this looks like a significant fall. My exhibition is doing quite well, as I discussed on Thursday, and I think it will continue basically. I may switch from the Dow to the S&P, but before I do that, I'd like to have some feedback if anybody is bothered about me not covering the Dow. Excessive VIX is based on the S&P, so it's a more significant index in that sense. Look at the Dow now, though. In any case, it has a less clear count. I mean, this looks like an A, B, C. So it could be an A, A, B, C, B, A, B, C again. Really, I mean, it could be a 5, I suppose. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's an overlap with the 1 and the 4, though. So not such a clear count, but still going down, obviously, which is the key point for the time being. As is the Nasdaq, a bit betwixt and between with a clear ABC here, so this could be a C wave decline. Possible 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It looks like there's more downside due as far as I can see. I don't think this decline is over yet. However, this report is now over. I hope you found it interesting and useful. Back to the report on Tuesday for subscribers. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.